Hello guys, and today we are going to talk about mitosis. This is a really simple explanations about mitosis for you to gain an understandings towards mitosis. Before we start that, as we know that mitosis is very important for humans body as it can increase the numbers of cells for growth, or maybe it can repair our damaged tissues by multiplying the numbers of cells. And how can we easily remember the four phases that involve in the mitosis? So we have the prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. So before that, we are going to draw two lines, and divide into four boxes. So the first one will be the prophase, and the second one will be the metaphase, and the third one will be the anaphase, and the fourth one will be the telophase. I'm going to draw a simple diagrams. This is the nuclear membranes, and this is the chromosomes, and this is the centroids and ester. So what is the first point for the prophase? So the chromosomes condense. The chromosomes will condense. As you can see this, the chromosomes condense. And the second point is the nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane will disappear. As we can see, we draw some dot lines, and the nucleus will also disappear. Okay, forgot to draw it. Here is the nucleus, the small dots here. And the fourth one is the spindle fibers. The spindle fibers will form. At start, it was ester, and after that you will form the spindle fibers. And for the metaphase, so I will draw it. And for the metaphase, as we can see that it aligns, the chromosomes aligns at the metaphase splits with the centroids at the opposite sides. For here, the chromosomes aligned at the metaphase split. And forgot to mention it, and we have to mention first that the spindle fibers is attached to the centromeres, or more specifically you can say that it attached to the kinetochore. So I'll draw here. Basically, kinetochore is this thing, the projected out. It's like small balls. So okay, this is not so clear. I'll draw it bigger. Okay, and this is the normal chromosomes with small projectings, something that projected out here. This is called the kinetochore. Okay, just for some understanding. And for the anaphase, same thing. I'm gonna draw a diagram. Okay, so this is the centroids, same thing, the centroids. And then obviously we can see that we saw that the chromosome is pulled apart. Okay, so we can write depolymerization of spindle fibers occurs, and also the spindle fibers pulled the chromosomes to the opposite pole. Or for extra points, you can write the centromeres break, because at the center here, the centromeres break. That's for extra points, but I think it is more than enough. And for the last one, telophase, you can see that the cells is going to divide into two new cells, the daughter cells we call it as. And this is the same thing, the nuclear membranes, and we can see that the chromosomes now, it is like thread-like chromosomes. So this, I blackened it, it was the nucleus. So at the telophase, it is really easy for telophase because telophase is an opposition to the prophase. So from the prophase, we say that the chromosome condense, but from the telophase, obviously we can see that the chromosomes is decondensed, or we can say it as extended, simple words. And for the prophase, the nuclear membranes disappear. So for the telophase, the nuclear membrane will reform. And same thing for the nucleus, vice versa, the nucleus reappear or reform, the same things. And for the spindle fibers disappear. It's opposites from the prophase. So I think that there's a lot of points here, and I think that it is quite enough. It is more than enough for you to understand the four phase in the mitosis. So if you found that this video is useful, please share to your friends, and thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.